Welcome back to whatever this is. I made a change. I always make changes off camera. This time I have changed the rotation of the putter and blender and thusly changed the direction it's facing to be that. Thusly accidentally altered how it faces in Unity. I guess the other thing I did is I made the putter more this is why you shouldn't make a change, at least not off camera. Um, I increased the resolution of the putter. I just didn't like how it was looking, so it now looks like a smooth putter. Alright, let's fix this rotation. One would assume that I would just remove the sign. However, when one does that, here's what happens. We're back to the spinning around for no reason. Let me put that negative sign back on there and figure this out. I think I know, actually. I think if I stop this, and we say plus 180, Quaternion should do all the work. I like MBM's idea here. 10% of the people will be happy with this. I think if we add 180, it might just work. Quaternion might be smart enough to wrap things and calculate. So let's find out. So that in that case, I'd just say, you know, if you want the right-handed option, add 180. Otherwise, keep it as it is. We'll see. Yeah, see? That's all you gotta do. Just gotta be smart about it. Like me, obviously. Alright, let me mark this into a variable, actually right-handed. I'll come back and like if I ever get that option and I'll make this an option, but we'll do plus right-handed 180. Otherwise, 0. Then that's all we need to do. Alright, putter position's fine. We got that code nailed down. Also, I did one other thing off camera. This used to be here. Update putter position was called before update camera. I moved it to after, and that has completely solved the issue where it's traveling really fast and the putter just kind of jitters around with you. So that's cool. Next thing I would like to do, and you guys can feel free to vote on this or whatever, but what I was thinking is actually put the swing animation in and fake a collision with the ball and just launch it with the same power that we're using currently, but I would like to get the swing in there. Alright, so let's do this. Hierarchy. Here's the putter plane, there's the putter. Now, we are going to add a game object on the putter, just an empty object. Empty parent, I didn't know that was even an option, because that's what I was getting to. So this game object will be called putter pivot. Putter pivot. So we have the plane, which is by itself, and the ball code attaches the plane to itself. The children follow its transform, so we have the putter pivot, which is in the same spot as the putter, I thought. Apparently it's not. That's kind of weird, but okay. Let's move it to that. Negative 9.25 and 0.3. For goodness sakes. There. Okay, now it's in the same spot as the putter. And not rotated yet. So before I parent the putter to it, let me set this view real quick. 2D. Wait. Not 2D. That's not what I want. I just want orthographic view. And then move it up to like here. And let's see how that looks. Then I'll attach it to the putter plane, attach the putter to this. And then, if I were to rotate the pivot on the Z-axis. Whoa, that's moving it. Hold on. Rotate the pivot on the Z-axis. Boop. 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 Alternatively, I could actually put the thing on the handle and then rotate it so that it lines up with the handle, actually. Oh. Hold on. There we go. Do this real quick. So let's see what this looks like. Looks like and from top down, I think we should rotate it based on the handle, maybe up a little more though. So maybe like, whoops, nope. Maybe like this. Need to rotate this a bit more when we actually rotate the thing. Oops, I'm rotating all the axis. There we go. Boop. Smack. Smack. Tap. Okay. That's gonna have to do. So, how to get this thing animated when you click. Let's say, just for now, we're gonna do this in the handle controls method when they click in here. So we have this already. So instead of adding the force, use the force, Luke. Let's comment that out. And instead, start the animation, putter animation swing. Star the putter animation swing. And we'll get back to this. Then we want to add a new animation. We are not going to play automatically. I know, like I said, animation is kind of the legacy component. You're supposed to use like the flowchart style animator thing. But when I have it simple, I like to start off with just this. I'm very new to animations in Unity, in general, actually. Let's add a new animation over here. Animation. We're gonna call it Swing Putter. We're actually not gonna call it that, but we're gonna call it that for now. And that is going to... Alright. Here we go. Wait. Oh, okay. Nope, I need to assign this to the thing. Click here. Not that, actually. Putter pivot. Animation. Yeah, animation needs to be Swing Putter. And... Alright, to begin animating putter pivot, create an animation clip. I don't know. There's probably a better way to do that, but here we are. I've just replaced the existing one. And so, property, we are going to add the transform rotation of the putter pivot. Oh, look, you can even access the children. That's pretty cool. We can animate the animation. We can do all kinds of stuff. Alright, rotation. Now, the Z here is what we want to change. So on frame 0, we want to have it here. That is a keyframe. We're not going to go 60 frames in. Let me delete that. Is smack the ball. So how long does it take you to go back when you're putting? Maybe like half a second? We'll try half a second, see how that feels. So at the 30 frame mark, is this how I insert a new keyframe for this guy? I guess. At the halfway point, this thing should rotate back. I mean, okay, we're going to control how far back it rotates via some other method, but for now, let's put it back about 20. Why does this look so... I know why. Because I obviously have putter pivot rotated incorrectly on the y-axis. Yeah, it should not be rotated at all. So let me move that out of here. 0. Then put putter back on it. Much better. Okay, so that's that. Go back to our animation. And keyframe did save. There it is. Keyframe right here. And now when we go back, it should be straight. It should go back about 20. Not positive 20, negative 20. There we go. Then we are going to sew back and then forward a lot less of an amount of time, so maybe like 10 frames. This is an awful way of animating, but I mean, there's better ways to do it. Then we're gonna move this thing smack, maybe positive 40, not that much, maybe 30. 30. See how that looks? Boop, 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 boop. Okay, nope, hold on. Let's leave that, can I copy this? Let's leave it there for like, until here. Smack, 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 smack. Okay. I mean, we can also do this type of stuff, so get the curves going. It defaults everything to have a curve, which is fine. Now I need to figure out, I think, which frame to actually apply the force to the ball, and it looks like it's going to be frame 36. I wonder if that's what the event is. So if I do an event here and I do a function call, I can almost guarantee you that's what triggers stuff. So let's add an event and then read up on it. The only way to know is to test. Test animation call string s. Debug.log. It's a hit. Wait, how do we play this thing? I think we need to get the animation component of the putter pivot and then play the clip. Just guessing. Let's see. Game object fine. Not going to do any variables or anything. But get component, animation, play. There it is. Play. Alright, let's do this. Whoa. Okay. Two things here. Two things to know. Oh, I forgot my water. First of all, it rotated on the wrong axis. Create a new script. Putter. And then we'll open that. And that needs to be in the scripts folder, but don't move it from within Visual Studio. Move it from within here. There we go. Okay, the putter says, don't need any of this. Or this. Let me copy the function from ball to this. And let's test that out. Okay, so that actually worked. Let me test it as private. Oh, the private works too. That's pretty cool. We got the animation call done. Now I just have to figure out why it messed up the rotation. And continues to do so. I might have to Google this. I don't know. I will figure this out tomorrow. Until then, have a good night, good day, whatever it is. Catch you later. Thanks for dropping by.